Welcome to the Mechanical Mindset. Today we are going to make a cooling fan in a SolidWorks.
First of all, we select the top plane. Select here. First of all, we will select the unit. So millimeter will be in the unit. Now select top plane. Sketch it. Select here the center rectangle. So click at the rectangle center and draw a rectangle. Select this edge. Okay, select one edge plus control plus second edge. So it should be a equal size. Click OK. Select the dimension. And dimension of this side should be of 80 mm. 80 mm only. Now select the circle, select at the center, and this should be of diameter 60 mm. Okay, 60 mm. Now select the feature, go to extrude boss, and this width should be of 20 mm. Okay, 20 mm. Now we have to make a plane at the center, so select the reference plane, and the reference should be first this side. Okay, flip 40 mm. Okay, here we got a plane. Select here. Now we have to make some 2D figure here. So select the line, make some line like this. Okay, so we have to dimension this line. So the length between this should be of 2 mm, and here again 2 mm. Sorry, dimension. Click here, and this is should be of 2 mm. Okay, between this to this point should be of 3 mm. Okay, 3 mm. Fine. And angle between these should be of 135. 35. Okay. So here we got the desired figure. Select again line and extend this. Okay. Again we have to select here a center line. Select at the center, make an construction line. Okay. So here we go to feature and revolve cut. Sorry, the revolve cut. Select OK. So we got this figure, this 2D 3D model. So again we have to make a screw hole. So select here and sketch the plane. First of all, hide this plane. So hide this plane. Okay. Here select the circle and draw circle here. So first of all, dimension of this circle should be of diameter 6 mm. Okay, 6 mm is good, and distance between this circle and edge should be of 10 mm. 10 mm. From here to here, it should be of again 10 mm. Okay, so it's between this. Now select the linear sketch pattern, click the circular sketch pattern, and select here the parameter. First of all, select the entities to pattern. So we will select this. Okay, parameter should be of yes. So we want 4. So okay, select the feature extruded cut, and it will be cut both side. Okay, again select here sketch and make an fillet here. So we will select First of all, click convert entities, convert entities. So select here, fill it. It should be of 6 mm or 4 mm. Okay, 4 mm is better. Select a sketch line, click here. Okay. Trim entities. So again we will select the linear pattern, circular pattern, and select the entities of pattern. So it should be up to this lines. Okay. Go to feature, extruded cut. Okay. So it's been fillet at the corners. Now we have to make a support here. Support. So first of all, we'll convert this in section view. Section view. Sketch this. Click at the line. First of all, we will click the circle. Convert entities. Click on the line. So again, we will first select this is and convert entities. So here again, select the line. Okay. Select here trim entities. Fine. Now again we have to select here the linear sketch pattern, circular sketch pattern, and select the pattern lines. Okay, we got the actual pattern. Click. Now go to feature and extruded cut, extruded boss, sorry, and it should be of up to next. Okay, up to next. Okay. Now we have to view the full section. So this is the supporting. Now we have to select here the fillet. To fillet this, select at fillet. Fillet should be of 2 mm. Okay. Select the edge. First of all, this and this all. Okay. So at back side we have to make a support here for the motor. So select this sketch again. Click at the circle. Here make a circle of 115 mm. So first dimension this circle. This will be of 15 mm. Okay. Now again select the line. Should be like this. Again select the linear pattern, circular, line 4. So select the whole line. Okay. Click. Now select the trim entities to complete the proper figure. Trim the unwanted lines. Okay. Now go to feature and extruded boss. It should be of 2 mm. So select here 2 mm, and it should be of another direction. So this is the good direction. Okay, select. So we got the housing of the cooling fan. This is the housing. So now we will select the material. So select the part, go to appearance. It should be of plastic. Okay, so select plastic, high gloss, and it should be of black. Okay, not fully black, it should be some grays. Okay, now save this. So now we have to make a second part of the cooling fan. So the second part is a fan. Select the, first of all select the millimeter. Okay, here top plane, sketch it. Now draw a small circle. So small circle, the dimension of the circle should be of 15 mm. 15 mm. Okay, and we will extrude this. So go to feature, extruded boss, and I think it should be of 16 mm. So 16 mm should be good. 16 mm. Now here we have to make some multiple planes. So select the reference plane, select the reference, and it should be of distance 1 mm. 1 mm from this side. Okay, select the another plane, select here, and the reference will be of this side. uh, Again select the reference plane, this side the reference, flip from 1 mm. Okay, again we have to make a third plane. So select here the plane, select here the reference. It should be of, first of all cut it, reference and plane should be from right side or front side. Front side is better, and it should be of 30 mm distance. Okay, so we got the proper planes. So select the first plane, sketch it, plane. So we have to select the plane first plane. Okay, sketch. Select line, and here it should be like this. Okay, second plane, sketch. Select the line, it should be like this. Go to the third plane, sketch, and here select the spline, this point, this point, and this. Okay, go to the feature. First of all, exit. Go to feature locked box. So select here the path, and the profile should be like from here to here. Okay, uh, select select this point. So it should be like this to this point. Okay, let's go. Now, first of all, we will hide the all planes. Uh, no, no. First, select the plane first. Again, draw a large circle from this origin like this. Okay, and select the line. Click here, here, and here. Select the trim entities. Exit. Okay. Now we have to shape this fins like a circle. So select the features. Extruded cut. Okay. So now we have to hide all the planes. So hide it. Now we have to make a multiple fins like this. So select here linear pattern, circle pattern, and select here the loft tool. Okay, the lofted fins, and click here the base. So this should be the A's. Okay, and numbers of fins should be of, okay, 10 is good. So this is a fin. Here we will select the base of this circle and create a small circle here. So it should be like, okay, 6. Okay. Click here the feature extruded cut 14 mm, 14 mm. Okay, so this is the base. Now select the part and specify the material. So select here the appearance. So it should be of plastic, high gloss, and red, blue. Oh, yellow. Okay, red is better. So this is, now we are going to save it. So now we are going to select a new file, and here we will set assembly. Okay, now we will import the housing, cooling fan of housing. Select here. Okay, now we will again import one file, that is of cooling fan. So it should be here. Now select the layout, click this movement of component, select here, rotate the component. First of all, select this component, move the, select here, rotate component. Okay, that's fine. Now here we will apply the mate. So select the assembly and click on the mate. Here we will select this part and this part. Okay, this is good. Now again we will do the mate. We will select this face and this face. Okay, this is done. In this now we will put some motion. So for this, first we will select the motion study. Here we will select the motion analysis, and now we will select here the motor. So this is a motor symbol. Click here and select the component. So this is direction of motion. So put this. Okay, done.
This is a final view of a cooling fan in a Solidworks.